How to manage the new product development process. Introduction. Operations management is the process of managing the production of goods and services. It is responsible for the planning, organizing, controlling, and monitoring of the production process. This process is essential for any organization as it helps to ensure that the products or services produced are of the highest quality, are cost-effective and meet customer requirements. The new product development process is a subset of operations management that deals with the development of new products or services. This process is necessary for organizations to remain competitive and stay ahead of the competition. The new product development process is an important part of any operations management plan and should be given due consideration when developing operational plans. In summary, operations management is the process of planning, organizing, controlling, and leading the activities of the organization to achieve desired goals. One of the key operations management processes is the new product development process, which involves a series of steps that are necessary for designing, developing, and launching new products. This video will provide an overview of the new product development process, including market research, concept generation, concept selection, product design and development, and product launch. 2. The product development process. The new product development process is a systematic approach used by organizations to create and introduce new products to the market. This process is composed of 4 stages: defining a product, market research, concept generation, and concept selection. Defining a product. The first stage of the product development process is defining a product. This involves understanding the customer's needs and wants, and then creating a product that meets these needs and wants. This stage includes identifying the target market, understanding customer needs and wants, and defining product features. The target market is the group of customers for whom the product is intended. Organizations must have a clear understanding of their target market to create a successful product. They must understand the needs and wants of their target market to create a product that meets those needs and wants. Once the target market is identified, organizations must understand their customers' needs and wants. This involves gathering information about their customers' needs, such as their demographic information, preferences, and lifestyle. The organization can use surveys, focus groups, and interviews to gather this information. The last step in defining a product is defining product features. This involves creating a list of features that the product must have to meet the needs and wants of the customers. This list should include the product's purpose, design, function, and materials. Market research. The second stage of the product development process is market research. This involves gathering information about the target market and the industry to create a successful product. Organizations can use primary and secondary research methods to gather this information. Primary research involves gathering information directly from the target market. This can be done through surveys, focus groups, and interviews. Organizations can use this information to better understand their target market and the industry. Secondary research involves gathering information from existing sources, such as books, magazines, and websites. Organizations can use this information to gain an understanding of the industry and the competition. Concept generation. The third stage of the product development process is concept generation. This involves generating ideas for new products that meet the needs and wants of the target market. Organizations can use brainstorming, market research, and customer feedback to generate ideas for new products. Brainstorming is a useful tool for generating ideas for new products. It involves a group of people coming together to generate creative solutions to a problem. Organizations can use this method to generate ideas for new products that meet the needs and wants of the customers. Market research is also a useful tool for generating ideas for new products. Organizations can use the information gathered from market research to generate ideas for new products that meet the needs and wants of the customers. Customer feedback is also a useful tool for generating ideas for new products. Organizations can use customer feedback to understand their customers' needs and wants, and then generate ideas for new products that meet those needs and wants. Concept selection. The fourth stage of the product development process is concept selection. This involves selecting the best concept from the list of ideas generated in the concept generation stage. Organizations can use several criteria to select the best concept, such as customer needs and wants, market potential, and cost. The first criterion for selecting a concept is customer needs and wants. Organizations must select a concept that meets the needs and wants of their target market. If a concept does not meet the needs and wants of the target market, then it is not a viable option. The second criterion for selecting a concept is market potential. Organizations must select a concept that has the potential to be successful in the marketplace. This includes assessing the size and growth of the target market, the competition, and the potential for profits. The third criterion for selecting a concept is cost. Organizations must select a concept that can be developed and launched at a reasonable cost. This includes assessing the cost of developing the product, manufacturing the product, and launching the product. 3. Product design and development. Creating a new product is a complex task and can often best be handled by using a team approach. The product design and development process must be managed effectively to ensure that the product is designed and developed in a timely and cost-effective manner. This section will discuss the various steps involved in product design and development, including design specifications, prototypes, and product testing. A. Design specifications. The first step in the new product development process is to establish the design specifications. Design specifications are specifications that outline the design of the product, including its size, shape, materials, and features. These specifications are used to inform the design and engineering teams on the requirements for the product. Establishing design specifications requires careful consideration of the product's features, performance, and cost. To ensure that the design specifications are accurate and well-defined, it is important to involve all stakeholders in the process. B. Prototypes. Once the design specifications are established, the next step is to create a prototype. A prototype is a functional model of the product that is used for testing and evaluation. Prototypes can be created using various methods, such as 3D printing, computer-aided design, CAD, or handcrafted models. The prototype is tested to evaluate the product's performance and identify any areas that need improvement. Prototyping is a crucial step in the product development process, as it allows the design and engineering teams to identify any potential issues before mass production begins. C. Product testing. The final step in the new product development process is product testing. Product testing is the process of testing the product in its intended environment to ensure that it meets the design specifications and performs as expected. This testing can include field trials, user trials, and laboratory tests. During product testing, the performance and reliability of the product are evaluated. This testing helps to identify any issues with the product before it is released to the public. Product testing is an important step in the product development process, as it helps to ensure that the product meets user needs and performs as expected. According to a study by the University of California, Berkeley, product testing is a critical part of the product development process, as it helps to ensure that the product meets the desired performance standards and is fit for use. Chong, 2019. IV. Product launch. Once the product has been successfully designed and tested, it is ready to be launched. The product launch process involves the production of the product, cost estimation, and distribution. A. Production planning. The production planning process involves the development of a production plan that outlines the steps that need to be taken to manufacture the product. This plan includes the selection of the production facility, the materials and equipment needed, and the personnel required. Additionally, the plan outlines the timeline for the production process and the budget for the project. Production planning is a crucial step in the product launch process, as it ensures that the product is manufactured in a timely and cost-effective manner. B. Cost estimation. The next step in the product launch process is cost estimation. Cost estimation is the process of estimating the total cost of the product launch, including the cost of production, materials, and personnel. Cost estimation is an important step, as it allows the company to accurately plan their budget and ensure that it can manufacture the product within its budget. Cost estimation is a vital part of the product launch process, as it helps to ensure that the product is launched in a cost-effective manner. C. Distribution. The final step in the product launch process is distribution. Distribution is the process of delivering the product to the intended market. This involves selecting a distribution channel, such as retail stores or online stores, and ensuring that the product is delivered to the customer in a timely and cost-effective manner. Distribution is an important step in the product launch process, as it ensures that the product is delivered to the customer in a timely and cost-effective manner. Versus conclusion. The new product development process is a complex and time-consuming process, requiring careful management and planning. This video has discussed the various steps involved in the product design and development process, including design specifications, prototypes, product testing, production planning, cost estimation, and distribution. Each of these steps is essential for the successful launch of a new product. By properly managing the product design and development process, companies can ensure that the product is designed, tested, and launched in a timely and cost-effective manner. In summary, the new product development process is an important part of any operations management plan. Organizations must have a clear understanding of the market, the competition, the resources needed to develop the product or service, and the potential customers. Organizations must also be aware of the risks associated with the process, the benefits of the process, the importance of managing the process effectively, and the potential for using technology and analytics to improve the process.